What's up, guys? We back with another one. We have one during the week. Like I said, I do work during the week also for my local customers that live local, like to drop off their cars during the week. That way I can work on them after work, because I do still have a full-time job. We got a Silverado Sleepy Eyes in for Webasto, old school Webasto sunroof install, no weld on. But this is one of the probably the ones that they first started off with. It's still Webasto. It is electric, and this just has the 2-button function. Let's check it out. Here it is, guys. Here's the old school Webasto, and then you can see, if I can zoom in, I don't know if it's gonna catch it, but it does say Webasto. There you go. Old school Webasto. Same as the other ones. It's just this one has more of a cover, kind of like the newer ones. And this is where you wrap your fabric over this, so it's a good clean install. HD front end, step side. There she is. We'll get all gutted out. Black suede, paint plastics, keep the console. Move the console back, paint all the plastics. Alright, let's get to it. Start getting out the headliner. Here's the top, here's the before. Alright guys, here's the headliner. It's done. We're wrapped in black suede. We're gonna go ahead and install it on the truck. Get everything buttoned up. We'll cut out the hole, wrap it around the headliner bracket, that rubber piece, and then we'll get everything tidied up. Alright guys, install's done. Everything is 100%. Wired up, powered up. Let's check it out.
Perfect.